What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going over a high taper. This man used to get a drop fade before and a design on the side, which is why his hair looks like that. But he's gonna be growing out the hair and sticking to his high tapers. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk y'all through this haircut. Hope y'all enjoy it. So I'm gonna first go ahead and brush out the sides so I can prep the hair for a haircut. And I'm gonna go on my Andy Slimline Pro Allies and set in that first guideline. Then I'll go ahead and hit it with the Wall 5-star shaver to bald out the bottom. Remember not to go too high to your first guideline. Just go right underneath it. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my magic clips and set in my second guideline with the lever all the way open. Now I'll go ahead and close the lever all the way to knock out that first guideline. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the lever halfway and start going a little bit higher to the next guideline. Make sure as you're fading, you wanna be flicking in a scooping motion. Now I'll go ahead and grab my one guard with the lever all the way open and set in the next guideline. Right here I still have my one guard. I closed it all the way, but it's just to soften up that bottom guideline. It's not really going to take it out, but it's going to soften it up. Next is going to be my two guard, lever all the way open, which is my last guideline. So make sure you're flicking out on your last guideline. So next I'll put in my half guard all the way open to get out that second guideline. Now I'll go ahead and go in with my 1.5 guard to take out that third guideline, which is pretty much my last guideline. So now I'll go ahead and line him up with my liners. He doesn't really edge up the front of his forehead. He says he has a big forehead, so you don't want to touch that. He'll just let his hair on the top hang over and make up that edge up. So on the back, it's pretty much going to be the same thing, just wider guidelines, but make sure you stay consistent with all your guidelines. Don't want to go up too high on one side and too low on one side. Y'all will notice that I'm doing my guidelines kind of crooked at the beginning, but I'm going to be going ahead and fixing it because my tripod is right there in the middle of me, so I have to go from one side to another. But I do fix them. And remember, right here you are flicking out because there is bulk at the top. Again, on this side, same thing as the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some 245 shave gel and line them up with my blade. Remember, when you're lining your clients up, don't push anything back. You want to be as natural as possible. That'll pretty much wrap up the high taper. Now I'll apply some aftershave from Johnny B, and that'll pretty much be it. Hope y'all liked the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel. Help me grow.